The verb to be.
Let's start with positive sentences. I am. I'm. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We are. You are. You are. They are. They are. Negative form of the verb to be. I'm not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Let's look at questions. Am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they?
Hello. I'm John Smith. I'm 16. I'm English.
Good morning, Sophie. Are you ready for our presentation?
Good morning, Matt. Yes, I am. I am ready. This is Mary. She is a blogger. That is Nick. He is her husband. We are doctors.
What letter is it?
Is it T?
No, it isn't. It is E. What letters are they?
Are they E and R?
No, they aren't. They are F and P.
Thanks for watching.